Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I've come up with another all-in-one recipe. This is all-in-one and made of some grated veggies and wheat flour and some spices. First I have taken 3 cucumbers and grated them. So ingredients: 3 kiras or cucumber, and we need 2 green chillies. I've crushed it, and 1 spoon red chili powder and 1 spoon salt, pink salt. I'm taking pink salt, you can take any salt. And we need some jaggery and sesame seeds. These are not roasted, just the one we get it from the store, as it is. Preparing the dough, we already have some water. After grating, some water comes out of the veggies. So if we are adding some spices into this, then the water is collected more. I've added spices. The spices will extract more water, and even jaggery. And sesame seeds. This is half cup. Mix them well. I forgot coriander or cilantro. I've added handful of cilantro. We need wheat flour. I've taken 1.5 cup, but we may not need this much. Like, it depends on how much water is extracted in veggie, and we need to add accordingly. You can see after 5 minutes, we can see a lot of water extraction from the veggie. I'm going to add wheat flour. I'll just mix it up and find out if this is enough. It has to be a little bit loose consistency. It looks good. I've just added 1 cup. I've taken 1.5 cup, but looks like only 1 cup is enough. So I have not added any water in this. It's only the water extracted from the veggies. Now let's start the recipe. I've taken parchment paper, and I'm going to apply a few drops oil. I'm going to take portion of this dough and just with my fingers I will flat it on the paper. I apply a few more drops on the top, and now we need to turn the parchment paper onto the tawa and press it on the top so that the roti becomes thin, and then slowly remove the paper. And you can add few drops of oil and cover with the lid. I will do one more. I'm taking portion of the dough and just, you can do it with the fork or with hands. Then drop few oil. Once the rawness of the wheat is changed, it looks dry like this. And now you turn it other side. You need not cover after some time, like after 2 minutes, then you can take off the lid. And after everything gets cooked, then turn it. And now you need not cover it. You should able to see all this golden color on that. It should be eaten hot, and we should not put one above the other. That's the reason I put it into separate plates. It's very tasty. Try out this recipe, and if you like this recipe, share with your friends. And for full recipe, look into the description box and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Let me taste. Thank you for watching my channel. See you with next recipe.